Well, welcome back to Channel Ron. Today I'm going to be working on another electric heater. I went to a garage sale and they had a box free for the taking. This was in it, so I went ahead and grabbed it. Once I got it back home here, I got it kind of looking inside here, and there's a lot of dust in here, so I'm guessing that that's all that's wrong with this, but I won't know until I open it up. I love kind of doing these the first time on camera because sometimes they work out, sometimes they don't. The model number on this is an HC2017. And I can't even pronounce what the name of it is. It's Polaris or something like that. So anyways, we're going to go ahead and open this up and see if we can find out what's wrong with it. Let's go ahead and get started. Okay, well, with anything like this, I like to plug it in first. So safety first. Make sure that you have a fire extinguisher handy or you can unplug this quickly as well. So let's go ahead and plug it in and see what happens. It's plugged in. It's rotating. That's a good sign. Let's see. High. Max. Light comes on, so we have power. Not feeling any heat. Oh, I'm feeling a little bit of heat, and I'm also smelling something that's getting hot. Alright. Not much is going on at the moment. Fan is not turning on. Okay, it is on, and I do smell something that is, I don't want to use the word burning, but something does smell warm, and it is getting warm. And after a while, what should happen is the fan should kick in. So it's telling us that the element is working. So let's wait a little bit and see what happens. Enough time go by. I'm going to go ahead and turn it off. It is definitely heating up, but it's just the squirrel cage is not turning. And I did hear the thermostat kick in to tell it to stop heating. So the element is good. So let's go ahead and unplug it. I'm going to let it cool down for just a little bit before I open this up because it is really, really hot. I'm surprised the thermo resistor or thermocoupling didn't kick out, and maybe it would have after some time, but I'm going to go ahead and let this cool down and then we'll come back to it. Okay, once you've let it cool down, let's go ahead and open it up. It's just a standard Phillips screwdriver. Alright, let's go ahead and take a look, and there is a lot of hair, a lot of dust in there, quite a bit of dust down in here. So I'm thinking that's the first thing we're going to do is we're going to give this a good cleaning. I'm a little concerned about the amount of dust that's built up in there. I'm not sure how far I can go without having to take this all apart. So let's go ahead and get a little shot right there for you, a little bit better so you can see what we have. So I'm going to go ahead and try to pull some of that stuff out of there. And there is a ton of it. Alright, so that's got a lot to do with it right there. And hopefully I can do this without disassembling this whole unit. And as you've seen in the past, a lot of times that's all that's wrong with these units. There's not a lot to them, and even if there was, you can buy a lot of these parts right offline. Just gotta look up the model number. It's looking like all I'm gonna have to do is try to get this all out of there. Hair. So you can see what I've taken out of that already. Just all up inside the motor here and up in here. There's a close-up of it. So let's go ahead and take the vacuum cleaner and vacuum out what we can, then we'll blow some air inside there. All right, well there it is. Let's go ahead and set it up. I'm going to operate this without the cover on. I feel comfortable doing this. If you don't, put the cover back on. I just want to go ahead and I want to test it and see what's happening. Let's go ahead and it was oscillating when we first turned it on, and see if it still does that. Yeah, so it's oscillating. That seems to be work. So let's go ahead and put our heat on. It's on low. Let's crank it right up high. And the fan must be working. I can feel the air. Oh yeah, see the fan's working spinning? Great. That's working really good. I could smell a little bit of the dust burning off where I had blown it in there, kind of pushed it in there a little bit, but that's blowing out a really good amount of heat right there, right now. So I'm going to go ahead and shut this off and put the cover back on. Well, there it is, another successful repair on a 1500 watt oscillating heater. I hope this helps you with your heater like the other ones, and be safe. Make sure that you unplug it and you should be fine. Just take it slowly, clean it all out, and you should be good to go. Thanks an awful lot for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.